Update on gold. So obviously price taking this fair value gap just missed its supply zone over there, just missed it. So my guess is that this is a bear trade. So price may retrace back into the zone, or impulse back into the zone, and then sell, because this was the 4-hour supply, right? This was the 4-hour supply that actually caused this breaking structure. Okay, so from that supply there, that was the supply that caused this breaking structure. So we expect price to go and tap into the supply and sell off, not short of it. So update on gold, bear trap. We expect price to move back up through the night. Tomorrow's London session, and then we'll probably see with the news price actually sell off to come and take out this low here, which is 2001.78. So that's what we're looking at for gold.